Okay. No, okay, no.
Done?
Done.
Done?
Oh shit, I'm scared to look. I'm done. I'm scared. Did I fail? Okay. It was only half full! Oh, a little bit more than half full, but damn!
You did good.
It sounded so scary!
But it's so wet.
Oh, I had mine wet too.
Okay.
Okay, so this one is mine, and then this empty one will be for Rain's. Okay, and don't touch the cup, just the faucet. Do I have my headphones in? I do. Okay, good luck.
Thank you. I'm about to do what no competitor has ever done before. I think it's time to say fuck it, Weeball. Oh, I pussied out. I just have to get more than Giri. More than Giri. But they touch my head. I don't like hearing Shadow giggle. I feel like I've been spilling the whole time. I think I'm good.
Okay, cue the music. Dun 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 dun. The first one was so good. I was so fucking
perfect?
jealous because it was actually just above what I got, and I was like, "Fuck, it's cooked. I'm cooked."
It's so deceivingly small.
And then she was like, "I'm gonna go again, boys," and then it's instantly splashed out. Oh my goodness, that first one was so good. If you stopped there,
It would have been such
it would have killed me instantly.
Oh.
All right, good try. So that Gooners, we take one of those. We take one of those. Okay, good game.
We want stiff peaks and stiff peaks only. Otherwise, we're not finished yet.
And nothing but these to get those peaks.